Hey, want to listen to some tunes?
Hi everyone, this is Steven and this is Louise. Finally, she has the courage to speak in the camera. Now guys, I really thank Louise for being part of the 50 Gmails in 50 weeks series. Now, Louise said she's very shy, but guys, let me tell you something. When I see her work out, she is diligent, she is determined, and she's very dedicated. So for that, I really applaud you for it. So please, be brave about it and don't be shy. So Louise has been so kind to agree to be part of the series. So Louise, what do you do for work or studies?
I'm a uni student at Blooper University. I study a Bachelor of Laws and a Bachelor of Arts. And I work in a jewelry shop in retail.
Oh, very good, very good. I see her very often in the gym. So how many times do you actually train a week?
6 days.
And what's your training routine like?
Push, pull, legs. Push, pull, legs, rest. Push, pull, legs,
and the cycle goes.
rest.
Oh, that's good. So basically, you're doing push. That means you're doing all the pushing exercise.
Chest, shoulders,
Chest, shoulders.
biceps.
Okay, and then the pulling exercise.
Back and biceps.
Back and biceps. Very good.
And lower body.
And then the lower body, which is the legs and the lunges and stuff.
Yeah.
Good, very good. And thank you for sharing that. What really motivates you of coming to the gym? I mean, do you have days that you don't feel like coming, and then so what actually fires you up when that happens?
I just really enjoy it, so I never really don't want to come, to be honest. It's like what I look forward to every day.
Oh, that's very good. Well, similar to a lot of the office workers, well, like myself, where we sit in front of the desk, the only time that really, we're looking forward to take a break from the table is coming to the gym. All right, guys, so that will be all for this week. I know it's a bit of Louise. All right, guys, that's it for this week. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll catch you around in the next video. Guys, bye.
But then I have a fat belly.
I can eat you.